You've heard it said that diamonds are a girl's best friend. Well, I'm here to tell you vitamin C takes the spot for me. This is my go-to, my don't leave the house without product. Vitamin C capsules in Floyd Roberts Ultimate C and in Adrian Appel C Source. You know a product is really powerful within the Color Me Beautiful brand family when you see it across all the brands. And that's what this does. But I'm here to tell you that this is a product that has the ability to be able to transform the landscape of our face. And who doesn't want that? This product has the ability to be able to get rid of rough, dry skin. It has the ability to be able to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, minimize the appearance of them. And also, it helps to even out the skin tone. So for me, this product is like a maintenance product. I've already used like the Fade Cream, for example, to get rid of the hyperpigmentation. So this is now the product that's going to keep me clear. And so that's what this product has the ability to be able to do. You can use it full dose, where you take the capsule and just put the entire capsule on your face. For my clients, when I am talking to a brand new client, they will say, wow, 30 capsules, $34. I then explain to them how they can turn the 30-day supply into perhaps a 60-day supply, and that helps as well. But this is a product that will allow us to be able to get new clients 365 days a year. How are you going to do that? When you meet a person, you ask them, what's the name of your best friend? And they'll tell you a person, and you say, well, I want to introduce you to my best friend. These two products, the Ultimate C capsules, the C Source, are small enough that you can throw them into your purse and you can travel with these, so that when you meet someone and you tell them you want to introduce them to your best friend, you pull out one of those capsules and you simply take a little bit of it, squeeze it on. That's enough for you to be able to do the demonstration. Simply for 5 seconds, it penetrates into the skin very quickly, and it will leave the skin with this satiny, silky kind of feel. Then you have them to compare the two and then have them smell it. Now you're engaging the senses. The orange blossom is divine. So you've got it all. So when you engage the senses, you got sight, you've got touch, and you've got smell. So we have the ability to be able to take this product and make it something that can be a income transformer and also a life and skin transformer for the customers that you introduce it to. So thank you for watching, and go out there and introduce vitamin C to everyone that you know.